How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about why does your washing machine make a banging noise when spinning. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. 100% the reason is an unbalanced load. I had this happen a couple times. Usually it was when I was washing big blankets or any type of blanket. The reason being is because I took the blanket and I put it in the washing machine. But when you put blankets or heavy loads or big loads inside your washing machine, you need to make sure that you spin it or you make sure you make a complete circle with it. What I was doing is I threw it in, and the load or like the blankets were at the back of the washing machine. So the front had nothing in it and the back had where the blanket was. This creates an unbalanced load. So you need to make sure the load is completely even, if you will, or balanced. If you have the blanket on the left side or the right side or at the top or the back, or even just general clothing that you're putting in, you need to make sure that it's somewhat even and dispersed properly throughout the washing machine. If it is not, it will make that sound, that banging noise when spinning. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.